Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys the making of this sleeve that you can see right here on your screen. So first of all, if you do not know how to draft a basic sleeve pattern, I have a detailed tutorial on that and I'll be linking it in the description box as well as pinning it in the comment section. So let's get into this tutorial. Bring your already drafted basic sleeve pattern, make sure it's on a folded pattern and divide it into two. Place them up as seen. Trim off at least 1 inch from one of the pattern paper. Now keep this 1 inch that we trimmed off and the main sleeve aside and we'll work on this other pattern. Place your fabric on fold, bring in the pattern and slash and spread just as seen in this video. Secure the edges of the pattern with a pin. Now spread the slashed pattern. The more you spread this pattern, the more volume of balloon sleeve you will get. Trace the base line of the slashed pattern in order to have an accurate line while cutting through. You can proceed to cut as indicated. This is what it looks like. Now keep this piece aside and bring in the pattern that we dropped aside earlier. Place your fabric on fold. Transfer the exact measurements of the pattern to the fabric. Keep this piece aside. Now bring in the 1 inch band that was trimmed off earlier. Arrange your fabric just as indicated. Make sure everything is folded into 4 just as seen, and then cut it out. This is what the pieces looks like. We'll gather the base of the bigger piece to match with the other piece. Sew along the edge of the base just as seen and make sure you're sewing a straight stitch or a loose straight stitch, so that way it will be easy to pull the thread in order to gather up the base of this. For a close-up view, pick up one of the thread and pull just as seen. So the more you pull the thread, the more the fabric gathers up, and we'll continue this process till we get it to be the same measurement as the other piece. Bring in the folded band from earlier and place on the right face of this fabric here. Secure the edges with a pin so everything stays in place. Bring in the other piece of the fabric and place right face facing the right face of this. Sew up as indicated. So the aim is to make sure that the lining, which is the second sleeve that does not have gathers, is shorter than the first one that has gathers, and by the time you pull them up together just as seen, it creates that balloon bobby effects, very cute effects that we can see. So use your pins to secure the edges down together. Place everything right face facing each other and sew your sewing allowance along that part there, which is your seam. After sewing the pieces together, flip everything over to the right face. Now your sleeve is ready. You can attach this to your blouse, your dress, or whatever it is that you're making. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.